Are you tired of feeling sluggish and bloated? Do you want to look and feel your best without sacrificing flavor? Hey everyone, today we're kicking the gym and boring meals to the curb. I'm going to share with you 10 easy tricks that'll give your body a major boost. And guess what? I'll also reveal 10 mouth-watering foods that actually help you slim down and boost your energy. First up, let's talk hydration. Did you know water is your secret weapon for weight loss and glowing skin? It's true. Hydrating properly can rev your metabolism and help flush out toxins. So keep that water bottle handy. Now let's spice up your life. Adding herbs and spices like turmeric and cinnamon not only makes your food taste great, but also boosts your metabolism and fights inflammation. It's a flavor win with health benefits. And here's a sleeper tip. Literally, sleep more. There's a surprising link between getting enough sleep and weight loss. It's not about burning calories in your sleep, but about restoring your body and regulating hunger hormones. Gut health is next on the list. A healthy gut microbiome is key to improving your body composition. Probiotics, anyone? Feeling stressed? Stress less. I know, easier said than done, right? But managing your stress can actually help you weigh less. And no, you don't need to become a yoga guru or meditation master. Simple breathing exercises can work wonders. Snack time doesn't have to be a guilt trip. Choose delicious, nutrient-dense snacks that curb cravings and boost your energy. Think nuts, seeds, and fruits. Portion control can be sneaky. Use smaller plates and listen to your body's fullness signals. Eat slowly and enjoy every bite. Watch out for sneaky sugar in places you wouldn't expect, like your favorite morning yogurt or cereal. Always check the labels. Fiber is your friend when it comes to weight loss and gut health. Foods high in fiber like oats and beans keep you fuller longer and are great for digestion. Lastly, let's not forget about protein. It helps you build muscle, burn fat, and keeps you feeling full. Make sure you're getting enough. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your favorite healthy food swaps in the comments below. And if you're ready to ditch the diet and transform your body the easy way, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to eat well, feel amazing, and love your body. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.